Alright guys, so welcome to the stream. My name is BrainZ and welcome to day 21 of Programming Grind. It's for the accent. Anyways, as you can see, we are now at part 7 for MERN-Stack tutorial grind, and it's gonna be a while until I finish this because there's like 12 hours of video content from this tutorial that I've been looking at right now. So if you guys want to check it out, the link is the thing that I'll put in chat. Just a second. It's always important to put credits
to create a post request.
where it's due, you know. So yeah, I don't know where else you're gonna. Yeah, just in chat, you know. Just look at the link. So I'm just gonna do some programming grinds, just to build up experience and a little bit of portfolio for myself. Supposedly the goal here is to actually have a responsive app deployed in an actual server. So yeah, I'm excited for that because I haven't actually tried actually deploying a responsive website. I did static once, but not good. I think I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use this one, AdBlock Browser, just to avoid ads. Sure, why not? No, not that one. Yeah, I kind of want to take a shit, but never mind. It's just a fart. So this time, usually what I do is I put the tutorial in here, but now I'm using my tablet, so I'm looking at my tablet for the tutorial. So in my laptop, I'm only seeing the output and the code. So yeah, that's what's happening. So the only thing that I can show you guys is the just a second. So yeah, where were we? So the only thing that I can show you in my stream is the output and the code. Let me just code. There you go. It's the code, and this is the Hold on, just okay. I think it's enough. Oh shit. Google Chrome. Can't find it. Let me try again. Yeah, discard it. Don't worry about it. Google Chrome. There you go. So yeah, I'll make sure to not try to dox myself, but I'm pretty sure I've done that already. Hopefully you guys don't see it or whatever. I think I'm gonna do this and that one. Like that. Yeah, it feels better. Um yeah, right. Looks decent enough, I guess. I mean, clearly it's not, but it'll work for me. Oh shit, this is month 3 already. Yeah, scratch that. It's month 3 already. Good lord. Just for the back end. It's full stack, so that's my excuse. That's my excuse.
Just want to call it post. And then here I want to create a new request. And if you remember, that was a post request from this route. So we need to create a post request, and this is going to be localhost 3000, and then API post/create. So if you try now, you get an error because you're not an admin. You are not allowed to create a post. So what I want to do, I
Hold
want to
on,
create.
that's not the expected error. Email yellow. Let me just backtrace this for a bit. Right, so I don't have a different. Just one CD client, npm1 dev. We're being reading this bitch. And we're running here. Let's see post route. He's saying you can't find the controller. Why is this? Oh wait. I think I know the problem. Oh fuck, I explained it last time. Import crate from controllers post. Yeah. I think I remember. That controllers slash. Mm-hmm. What do you mean? I'm not even using it. What's going on? No, just a second. I'm looking at the Ah man.
Post request.
Shut up. Mm-hmm. You can't be serious. You can't find the create from controllers post controller. I don't even use it, bro. So apparently I'm not exporting create. Okay. What did I change? What? Okay. Now you can. Now it's okay? The fuck? Okay. So I can just go localhost now. And everything should be fine. Okay. But it isn't really used to create here, which is kind of concerning. I'm gonna look at the API controllers, I think, or this is routes. Yeah, this is post route. Just go back to. So I didn't really use the crate. Crate verified token crate.
And then we want to have a response model based on the post scheme. For now, I just want to put this one. So if someone doesn't upload an image or something happens, we can.
Oh, whatever.
And here I want to create you are not allowed to create a post. So what I want to do, I want to create a new user and make it an admin inside my.
Cannot post API post grade. Let me check. Um, on. How's that? Yes, sir. Hello, Blab.
Hello.
Stream got the moment balik programming.
Nag-print ka? Wow.
Productive na
Very good
kabalik.
kita ko. O gani, nagsugod kag limpyo sa imong kwarto tapos nagbanda yun na dahil.
Pero bad news, lab.
Ay, si... Ano man? Dali lang, excuse me.
Lab? Ka? Eh. Oh well.
At my database. So let's create a new user.
Okay.
For example, go to authentication, sign up. So I just call this user admin user. The email is going to be adminuser@gmail.com, and the password is going to be Samantha. The sign up was successful. Let's create this user an admin. So I'm gonna refresh this MongoDB.
Nawala lagi ka.
Inanawa.
Kinsa man.
Wala. Buka.
Oh.
Uy, nakaluas.
Oh.
Pila ka buok. Ano na naman na? Kanig asin. Nagkaroy. Okay.
Duha ka buok.
Tapos? Gatoothbrush ka di ba? Always?
Wala ka rin.
Ayaw kiss na ko.
Kapag una ko napaakan ako ang baba or dila. Abot nga nining kalit lang ni.
Kaya mukha na basta mag-kuminit ng bacteria. Ew. Yeah.
Notbash na lang ka ba?
Yeah. May pa. Saving my life with this fool. With his song. Killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Killing me, killing me, killing me, killing me softly. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, life from his words, killing me softly with his song. Killing me, killing me, killing me, killing me softly. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa. La 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 la. La, la, life is on him. So with his show. Killing me, killing me, killing me softly. Oh, 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 oh. So, my whole life. Hello. Hi. Hello. Ma. Hello. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Hello there. Your camera is up. Is your Oh, I see. Okay, that's fine. Okay, as long as I can hear you. All right, hello, good evening. My name is Teacher Coco. What is your name? Hi, hello, Natalie. It's nice to meet you. How old are you, Natalie? Oh, 15. That's nice. Okay, Natalie, can you tell me something about yourself? In what grade are you now? Are you still in school? Yeah, grade 9. Wow, that's great. Okay, Natalie, can you tell me why do you want to learn English? Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. All right. Well, that's good to know. Okay, that you are really eager to learn besides being in school. Okay. So Natalie, let's begin our lesson for this evening so that we can get your learning objectives. Okay. All right. So this is your lesson 37 in Arkansas New Classic English. All right. Our title is As Sweet as Honey, Part B. Okay. So our learning objectives are we're gonna review the vocabulary from part A of Sweet as Honey, and let's study the key structures. Okay, or have something done. Okay. So did you remember your part A? Okay. So let's review those. Okay, so that you will remember. All right. So let's recall your lesson in part A. Okay, the text lesson. Let's complete the text in your own words. All right, can you read? Okay, thank you. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, that's correct. So, if we have the word enthusiastic, okay, can you say it again? Okay, enthusiast. Okay, it's pronounced, you can pronounce it this way. Enthusiast. Okay, can you say that? Okay. Enthusiast. All right. What is enthusiast?
Damn it. Hmm. Interesting. Alright, where are we again? What am I doing it again? I forgot. Ah, yeah, yes.
This is
Grinding.
Do you still think you're a star? When you hear a tech company, this is what you think about. Visionary founder starting in a garage. Because of course you need a garage. Building a revolutionary product, raising millions of dollars from investors to grow even faster. They get millions of users, become a global phenomenon, hire thousands of people. The founder becomes a billionaire and is
Yeah, thanks.
post request from this route. So we need to create a post request, and then here I'm going to create a new. I'm going to create another. Not this one. Let's delete this. I'm going to create a new folder. I just want to call it post, and then here I'm going to create a new request. And if you remember, that was a post request from this route. So we call it post. And then here I'm going to create a new request. And if you remember, that was a post request from this route. So we need to create a post request, and because we are not an admin, you are not allowed to create a post. So what I want to do, I want to create a new user and make it an admin inside my database. So let's create a new user, not allowed to create a post. And then API post /create. So if you try now, you get an error because you're not an admin. You are not allowed to create a post. So what I want to do, I want to create a new user and make it an admin inside my database.
Mm-hmm.
So let's create a new user. For example, go to authentication, sign up. So I just call this user admin user. The email is going to be adminuser@gmail.com, and the password is going to be Samant. So the sign up was successful. Let's create this user and admin. So I'm going to refresh this MongoDB, and the last person is admin user. Let's change this value to true. And now we need to sign in with this user. So let's copy this email and password.
Man. Mhm. What's this right here that I can see? I'm not too sure what it could be. Do you? Oh yeah. By the way, guys, I could go full geek mode now. I could use this one right here. Oh, you can see me. Oh, wow, that's such a big thing. Impressively big thing. Actually, nah, I'm just gonna like keep it like that. You know, I could go full geek mode and just wear glasses now. Hey, hey, look at me, look at me, look at me. Do I look cool? Do I look like I'm like smart? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm smart, man. Quadratic equation. I think I do. X equals 4ac times positive or negative the square root of 2b minus a over 2ab. Oh shit, it's a quadratic equation. And now it's negative 4ab. It's negative, it's negative b. There's no 4. The 4 is it's negative b plus or minus square root of 2a minus 4ac. It's squared! Oh my god! You dumb! You just forgot. My bad, man. Yeah, yeah. See the glasses? I'm smart. Anyways, what are we doing? Um, right. Uh, huh. I'm going to I'm going to the database. I'm just gonna look for the newly created um entry. Just look at admin user is admin. I'm gonna change it to true. Gonna update that one. Yeah.
Go to sign in. Okay, as you can see, we got the user back and the admin is true. So now you can create a post. Let me change. We go to sign in. Okay, as you can see, we got the user back and the admin is true. So now you can create a post. Let me change its name actually.
How does that work? Is that like the cookie? Is it the cookie? Um. Yeah, it's the cookie.
Actually, rename it. And this is going to be create. So for the creating the post now, if I send, okay, still getting the error. You are not allowed to create a post. So let's console log inside this controller. I want to console log requested body. So let's send and then check our. Okay, it seems like it's an empty object. Okay, sorry, we shouldn't send from the body actually. We should send it from the cookie we get. The requested user is admin.
How do you pick that up so quick, man? You'll get there soon, blood. You'll get there soon, blood. What is that?
object. Okay, sorry, we shouldn't send from the body actually. We should send it from the cookie we get, the requested user. User is admin because we want to check the cookie, not the body section. So let's check the requested user. Let's send from the cookie we get, the requested user is admin because we want to check the cookie, not the body section. So let's check the requested user. Let's send. Okay, as you can see, the error is changed from the "you are not allowed to please provide all required fields." So actually, this one is working. So let's delete this. Okay, so now let's fill out the form here. We added JSON. So we need to add the title that is required. We just say new. Let's delete this. Okay, so now let's fill out the form here. We added JSON. So we need to add the title that is required. We just say new post, and then we're gonna have the content, which is going to be post content. Let's see if we can get anything. Okay, the post is created with the title new post, and also the slug is new dash post. Okay, it's working fine. The category, because we haven't choose any category, it's uncategorized. And also we have this image from Hostinger as a default because we haven't choose any image. Okay, so let's add
What's wrong now? Pedro, 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 Pedro. Oh, post is not defined. What do you mean? At the post controller? Post. Right. There you go, how about that? Try now. There you go.
add another one with the title. So I want to add some like signs or dollar sign or something with this. Any image. Fine. The category, because we haven't choose any category. Anything. Okay. The post is created with the title new post, and also the slug is new dash post. Okay, it's working fine. The category, because we haven't choose any category, it's uncategorized. And also we have this image from Hostinger as a default because we haven't choose any image. Okay, so let's add another one with the title. So I want to add some like signs or dollar sign or something with this. Okay, as you can see, the slug is clear and it's actually removed that signs and other things. As you can see, it's added the dash. We can remove the dash as well. We can just say just an empty string. So let's create another one. I just add some other symbols. Okay, now as you can see, the slug is like this because it's already added the dash between the space. So if you add the extra dash, you're gonna have too many dashes. But it's fine now. So it's creating our API route, and it's working. The response is 401. But if I try to again to submit with the same title, we should get an error. Duplicate key for the title. Let's also check the get the user ID. Okay, the user ID is the same as the one is signed in. This one has EB, and then this one is EB as well. So we know who created this post, and later we can just use this information when we want to update the post or show it to the admin. All right, so let's add this one to the GitHub. So this was create or add, create a post API route. So we can commit and push. In the next section, we're going to work on the upload or add, create a post API route. So we can commit and push. In the next section, we're going to work on the upload image functionality. So first, we want to, because this is a big section, we want to create the upload image functionality, and then we want to go to the next step, which is tracking the change in all fields, and then submit it in our database from the front end. So see you in the next section. All right, in the last section, we have completed the create a post API route. In this section, we're going to work on the upload functionality for the post image in the create post page. So it's similar to the one we did for the profile page here. So this procedure is the same. So I'm gonna just do the same things, and for our review, and I'm gonna explain them again line by line. But for practice, you can just stop the video and do this part if you have already done the profile page. So first thing first, you need to go to the create post page. Let me close everything here. We go to the client side. So it's inside the pages and create post. So we have a file input here. We want to add an unchanged event listener. Before that, we need to add a piece of state called files. And if you check now, we just say files, and then we set it to be, actually, let's make it just file. We need to add a piece of state called inside the pages and create post. So we have a file input here. We want to add an unchanged event listener. Before that, we need to add a piece of state called files. And if you check now, we just say files, and then we set it to be, actually, let's make it just file, because it's just the one image we are uploading. And the initial value will be null. We don't have any file first. Then, when
Jesus, calm down.
we set it to be, actually, let's make it just file, because it's just the one image we are uploading. And the initial value will be null. We don't have any file first. Yeah. And when we have any changes here, we just add an unchanged event listener. So this is going to get an event, and based on this event, we can fill this file. And this is going to be e.target.files, but we want to get the first one because we just want to choose one image. So we just put 0 here. So now that we have the file, when we click on this button, we want to upload the image. So here we add an unclick event listener, which is going to call a function called handle upload image. Let's create this.
Didn't we already upload the image?
One as well. We just create a constant called handle upload image. This is going to be asynchronous because we need for the upload to be completed on Firebase. Let's close this so we don't get an error. And then we want to have a try and catch a statement here. For now, let's just console log. Later, I'm going to add another piece of state for handle the errors. And then try to try. If there is no file, we want to just return, or we want to add a message later, error message. But for now, I just want to return. Later, we want to add the message. But if there is a file, we want to first get the storage, which is going to be equal to get a storage method from Firebase. We need to import it. So let's import it at top. This is coming. Coming from Firebase /storage, and also we need to get the app, which is coming from our Firebase file here, firebase.js here, because we exported this app, so we can just import it at the top. So once we have the storage, then we want to have from our Firebase file here, firebase.js here, because we exported this app, so we can just import it. At the top. So once we have the storage, then we want to have the file name. As I mentioned before, we need to have a file name that includes, it should be unique. So we just say file name, and then you want to make a date and add the file name at the top. Okay. After the file name, we're going to have the storage ref. You need to have the storage imported from Firebase /storage. Then you're going to have it's the storage and the file name. After that, we're going to have the upload task, which is going to be a method called upload byte resumable to Firebase. We're going to pass the storage ref and file. Okay. So after that, we're going to use upload task.on to do the process of upload. We're going to track the changes. First, to get a snapshot and get the progress with that, which is going to be a total bytes over, sorry, the bytes transfer over the total bytes. And then here we can just create a piece of state to handle this. This one. So before we keep continuing, so I want to create another piece of state. We can just call it image upload progress. And this this is going to be null at the beginning. Then we're going to have image upload error. Okay, so we can use this thing to fill out here. For example, here, if there's no file, I want to just set the image upload error to set, just create a message called please select an image. And here we can set the error to be null. If there is an error from the previous attempt, we can remove that. Then here we can just set the and
Oh, God. I really don't feel like doing this right now. I want to rest. I also want to meditate because that's apparently part of my checklist. It's my smartwatch. So this fucker contains wait, are you connected? You're not connected. Okay. Let me just connect you up real quick then. Yep. Perfect. Right. You know what? Do it here. It's all in here as well. Just gonna done that, done that, done that, done this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Um. Yeah, I think that's it. Just a second, guys. I just need to look. You know, I think I'm gonna change this. Let me just go to like. Yeah. Ooh, look. Calendar. So I'm thinking I'm gonna delete this. Yeah. Yeah. So this changes. Mm-hmm. And this changes, fortunately. Yeah, there you go. So, yeah, um, I don't know about tick tick in my smartwatch, but it just doesn't feel right. Should have gotten. I like the aesthetics of a circle watch though.
iOS 18 is officially here. Gallery to your home screen. For instance, control or focus corner of the control. iOS in the top. Use the change the tint. With the watchOS 11 update, TickTick on the Apple Watch has gotten some exciting upgrades. First, there's an enhancement to live activities. Now, when you start a live activity on iOS, watchOS 11 will sync it right to the Smart Stack on your watch. This means that if you've started a Pomodoro session on your iPhone, next, we've made interactive widgets even more useful. Whether in the Smart Stack or on the watch face, you can now mark tasks and habits complete by tapping the checkbox directly on the widget. These updates are designed to make TickTick on your iPhone and Apple Watch work together more seamlessly, making it easier to stay on top of your tasks. So if you're using both, I think you're going to love how smooth the experience has become. If you've enjoyed this update or
Oh man, I
quick
want
look,
tick tick in my
I
Apple
think you're
Watch
going to
now.
love how smooth the experience has become.
God damn it. Okay, fine. Where am I? Oh yeah. I'm streaming, I forgot. I look so cool with the glasses on, man. Like I feel like my attractiveness level increases by a fuck ton. It's the only thing that's been missing. And then I'm a complete case. Then when they take it off, it's like, you know, put it back on, bro. Put it back on. God damn it. Nah, I still have my round watch, man. Love it to bits. Love it to bits. Where were we? Let's go back here. And yeah, let's just do this.
And here we can set the error to be null if there is an error from the previous attempt. Previous attempt, we can remove that. Then here we can just set the image upload progress to this progress, but this progress is not a fixed number. It has decimal, so we can just remove this.
This is still inside the snapshot, right? Is it?
Decimal by just saying 250.
Yeah, it is.
So let's close this. Then we want to have the error handling here. So we want to set the error, get the error, and set the upload error to that error. Error, or we can just create a message. Something went wrong, or image upload failed. And also we want to set the image progress to null as well here. There is an error. So after that, we're gonna have the URL. So here we're gonna use a method called get download URL, which is coming from firebase/storage. Using the snapshot.ref, we can get the download URL, and then here we want to set the image progress. To null. After upload, and then we want to set the image upload error to null as well. So we can close this, and also we can save this URL inside a form data. We need it later when we want to submit it. So I'm going to add another piece of state called form data. And it's going to be an empty object at the beginning, and then we can just fill this form data by this download URL. We keep the previous data. We just add image here, which is going to be this download URL. So we need to close this, and also we need to close that upload task. For the catching the error, we can here now beginning, and then we can just fill this form data by this download URL. We keep the previous data. We just add image here, which is going to be this download URL. So we need to close this, and also we need to close that upload task. For the catching the error, we can here now add that we're going to set that image upload error to image upload failed, and also we can set the image upload progress to be null. So let's try it now. Let's first check if we have an error. So user state is not defined. Let's import user state at the top. Okay, so we don't have an error now. This warning is related to this real React quilt. It's not a big deal, so don't pay attention to that one. And then let's choose an image, and then click on upload image. So let's see because we don't see any upload progress or something, we don't see any effect. But and then click on upload image. So let's see because we don't see any upload progress or something, we don't see any effect. But if you check our fibers, probably it is uploaded. So in order to see the changes, we can add this loading effect here. So I'm going to import the circular progress bar that we have used before. So circular progress bar, which is coming from, if you remember, we have just done have a package called React circular progress bar. I'm going to import it from there. And actually, this is a lowercase progress bar like this. This is correct. Also, we need to CSS here. That is correct. And then we want to have the button, this button, instead of saying upload image all the time, when it's uploading, we want to show this progress bar. So here we're going to create a condition. You just say if the image upload progress is true, then we want to have a div, and this is gonna, we just set the width of 16 for the circular bar and also height of 16. And inside this div, I want to have that circular bar with the value of the image upload progress, and the text is going to be image image upload progress percent. Percentage, or if there's no image upload progress, I want to say 0, so we don't get an error. And let's close this progress bar. And then the other condition is, otherwise we just say upload image like this. And also we want to make this button disabled if we are uploading the progress bar. So let's try now. Just say upload image like this. And also we want to make this button disabled if we are uploading the progress. So let's try now. Let's refresh the page. Let's click on upload. As you can see now, we see the progress bar. before. So once it is completed, you can see now we don't see that progress bar. And then also we want to see this image after being uploaded. So here outside this div, first thing first, I want to add the error message. If there is an error, we want to create an alert from Flowbyte with the type of.
Yeah, I think that's enough for now. I'm pretty sick. I can't do this no more. I think that's good enough anyways. I did a lot of things, so I'm pretty proud of myself for what it's worth, you know. So yeah, everything else is closed now. This is all junk, the things that you're seeing. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you guys keep on grinding, you know. No relapses like me, okay? Relapse are for pussies. Look at my glasses, man. Black in the front, silver at the back. It's just a simple paint job, right? It's just yeah, that's what they did. That's what they did. Just a line of paint. Pretty nifty. Anyways, yeah, this is my glasses now. Pretty cool. It's just anti-red. Like I don't see much blue light. I don't really see it change color, but you know, whatever. I like it. Anyways, so yeah, this is my glasses. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Would be a surprise for my classmates, maybe, if they really give a shit. But hey, so tomorrow I'm gonna go to school, and I'm pretty proud of the thing that I did today. So, I guess that's it. See you guys tomorrow. I mean, if I can, I'll try to do programming grants tomorrow, but it's kind of unlikely. But we'll see. You know, we'll see. Ooh, look at that. So good to be back.